Hi there YouTube, today's video is going to be on paradiddles and how to orchestrate them around the kit. Let's get into it. Okay guys and girls, so just a quick recap on what a paradiddle is. I'll pop the music down below. So I have done a video on this before. If you want to check that out first, then please feel free. It will help you with this lesson, but it's not necessary. So yep, let's get into it. So paradiddle is just a group of singles and doubles. So you've got a right, left, right, right, then a left, right, left, left. Okay, so you repeat those without any gaps in. So you get right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so then you speed it up a little bit, so you get okay, it is one of the rudiments, probably one of the more important ones, as I'll show you when we move over to the kit, how you can move it around, how you can use it for general beats, for fillings, that kind of thing. So yeah, let's move over to the kit and I'll show you some ideas. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is playing a paradiddle beat. Okay, so once again, same orchestration we were using before, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, except we're going to move our right hand onto the hi-hat or the right cymbal, and we're going to put a bass drum on the 1, okay, and the 3. So the 1 and the 3 are going to have bass drums, as you can see in the music below. Apart from that, it's just a normal paradiddle. You can also accent the 2 on the 4 on the snare when you're a bit more comfortable with the beat, and it will sound more like a proper beat. So you get, okay. So I'll show you how that goes. Okay then, so for the second one, we're going to keep with the paradiddles, same pattern, and we're just going to orchestrate it around the kit. So we're just going to move around the toms, maybe the hi-hat, and we're just going to see what happens. So same sticking, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, and we're just going to move it around a bit. Okay, so let's get into it and see how that sounds. Right, guys and girls, so that's the end of the lesson. As you see, Paradiddles is very important. There's loads of different things you can do with them. Great for cymbal patterns, for learning like your Stuart Copeland type style music. I will say it is worth spending a lot of time practicing these, getting used to the spacing, making sure that everything sounds even, and the double strokes, making sure that they're the same distance between them as there is with the singles. I mean, all drumming is, and mostly, is singles and doubles and a combination thereof. So the better you get at being able to throw in singles and doubles independently of each hand, the better your drumming will get. There's a lot of rudiments that come in quite handy, but this is one that is definitely worth spending a lot of time with and improving on. I'd spend at least 15 minutes a day just practicing. I still practice them myself. I'll sit in my room with the pad on the bed and just go mad for as long as I can. Still trying to get faster and faster and faster, but maintaining the control over the sticks. As I said, it is really good for your hand technique as well, to get used to that push-pull technique. And it will definitely help your doubles, because you'll get used to playing them. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you next time.